The Henckels Legacy Tri-Ply stainless steel cook set is the ultimate choice for beginner home cooks, offering exceptional durability and heat distribution for flawless results every single time. Let's take a look at why you should get this set today. Hey, Wild here, and welcome dudes to my channel where a few minutes can save you a few bucks. Now, the reason I got this set here is for two main reasons. Number one is it truly is the best stainless steel set for the price you pay. So basically the best bang for your buck. And reason number two is as I get older, I become more health conscious and I'm really trying to eliminate forever chemicals commonly found in non-stick pans. So let's talk about what makes the Henckels Legacy Tri-Ply stand out. The cookware is a Tri-Ply stainless steel, giving you more even cooking while also increasing the pan's durability. The cookware is safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit or 525 degrees Fahrenheit with the lids on. Some of the cookware also has these awesome and easy to use pouring spouts and straining lids that just work fantastic. Oh, and those lids, by the way, are strong tempered glass too. The pots also have these nice interior measured markings. I personally never use them, but they are nice to have, and I would say they are actually useful for when you're reducing sauces or liquids. The handles are very free form and they fit your hand comfortably, and they do a good job of staying cool when they're near the heated surfaces. Plus, this set right here can be used on all stovetops, including induction. But I would have to say the best part about it is that everything that you get in the kit is fully dishwasher safe, which is freaking awesome when it comes to cleaning. Now this 12-piece set includes one 8-quart stock pan with a lid, a 4-quart saute pan with a lid, a 3-quart saucepan with a lid, and a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid. You also get one 12-inch fry pan with a lid, a 10-inch fry pan with a lid, and an 8-inch fry pan. Please remember that 12 number includes the lids and cookware. This pan set is an excellent choice for any stainless steel at-home cooker out there. While there is higher end options out there, they come with a much steeper price tag to them. This set delivers perfectly cooked meals, provides all the tools you need to create a variety of different delicious meals, and it adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen with that polished mirror finish. Plus, when your date sees these in the kitchen, they will be so impressed that things might really start to heat up in the kitchen. This 12-piece set comes in between $200 and $300 depending on where you buy it. I did you a favor and I put a link down in the video description on the cheapest place and the best place you can buy it. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for this channel. Now, if you're looking for more awesome, cool things to add to your kitchen, check out the videos over to my side. But until then, I will see you all in the next one-up review.